Let's learn how you can download video from Twitter or X application. I will show you this tutorial on iPhone, but you can follow up with any other device you want. Method is same for all phones. So first I will have to go to Twitter or X application. Once you go there, find some random video you want to save. I will say some random video like this. To save it, you will have to copy link. Copy link is this share icon near favorite icon. Click on this, it will appear share post. Click on copy link and go back to your browser, Google or anything, and now you will have to type X video download, and just click on the first page. On this status blank, copy, paste, and click on download MP4. Now here video will appear. Click on this blue download MP4 button. Wait, and as you can see, it will appear, do you want to download this video? Click on download. Once you do this, video will be showed up in download. Once you done that, video will appear like this, and it will be saved to your gallery. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.